The light lights the park, and we see clearly. Cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye. Teach you say call him no he. He walk as a mo.
You were being ouch. Hey, don't do that. You're right.
Wait, hold on a minute. Take your time, yeah?
Ouch, hey. Naughty.
Yeah, who's being naughty?
You are.
Yes, naughty is my middle name.
You're right. Tell me about it. Ouch. Oh, are you alright? Are you alright? I thought I had a fall.
Indeed. So that is the reason why you put this stupid thing here, so I will trip up, huh?
Say that again.
Didn't you hear me? Are you deaf? Have you gone nuts? Foolish girl.
Not so fast, girl. What makes you think you can open your mouth at any convenient radius, insult me and walk away just like that?
So what are you going to do? Beat me up?
So it's true what they say, huh?
What do they say?
That you don't respect yourself.
That's how what you
going on here?
next time.
What's going on here? Well, madness.
Okay. It is your mother, okay? It is your mother. It is your mother that's it. What happened? This stupid thing here, this one. Try to trip me up with this. Foolish girl.
Do you get that what that stupid girl just Kill you before you say Jack. Nonsense.
Hey, Martin, what really happened here?
I'm amazed at Jaclyn. That's Norman and I were in there when we heard her stumble outside. I mean, she just came out to ask if she was alright.
And in addition to that, the chair was not in the middle of the veranda. What were you doing there? Gossip. No, my God. KKS, Kokonsa.
And what is that stupid he got blabbing about? Foolish boy. Quadronto.
Excuse me, look, let's have a bit of gentleman civility here. What do you mean?
Khadija, it's alright, just relax.
Look at them. I haven't finished with you people yet. I will be back for you. Wait for me.
Ugly beast. Annoying my God. Listen.
What? You've started judging me, huh? Well, you ain't seen nothing yet. Jaclyn Kusi is the name. Final year sociology major. People gossip about me and tell me I am the trouble causer. I don't blame them. But don't you think there are pretty queer types like this around here? Curiosity killed the cat.
Wow, nice car. Who's that?
But how am I supposed to know? Can't you see all the windows are rolled up? Eh? I knew it. I knew it would be her. She changes men Just like I change my underwear every hour. You mean you change your underwear every hour? Yes. Do you have a problem? Look at what she's wearing. You haven't seen nothing yet. You are yet to see hotter and worse things than this one. Really? Yes, trust it. And you won't believe. I hear she went to the US too this time. She knows she has a guy there called Danny.
How will I know?
Let me tell you. This Danny guy finished civil and tech and has really landed a good job in the US. He is her main financier and her fiancé amongst many others. Yes.
Can't you see this semester has so far been the real roller coaster, topsy-turvy kind?
Yes, I agree. But for some people, it's going to get hotter still.
What are you talking about? Some filler?
Well, filler no get legs, so it be human beings where they carry on. Fire is burning in somebody's life. Nkechi is snatching somebody's boyfriend.
What are you talking about?
I hear Nkechi is seeing her roommate, Amelia's boyfriend, on the sly.
What?
People like that.
Of course not.
Hey, hi.
Hello, ladies. How are you?
Not bad, you.
Oh, we're hanging in there. See you girls later. Okay?
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Hanging in there indeed. More like grabbing and dashing. Hypocrites of the highest order. It's a race I'm sorry for.
What are you talking about?
Oh, so haven't you heard?
What about?
You see the two roommates who just walked past us?
You mean Eresi and Nkechi?
Yes. Can you believe Nkechi is seeing a racist childhood sweetheart behind her back? And that she actually used half her loan to shop for him?
You don't mean it.
I wonder how some people can be so wicked. Your own roommate?
Do you know John, Eraser's boyfriend?
Yes, we go back a long way. Why?
You mean you've been seeing him all this while?
What many Eresi have been my friends since early school days?
Rumor has it that you are trying to snatch him from Eraser.
I what?
Oh, that's only half the story. They say you spent your loan on him and even went as far as introducing yourself to his parents, even though they
Wait, who told you all this? Oh, Mavis, you have known me for some time now. I call a spade and not an instrument used for digging. Now tell me, who told you?
The Queen of Fila, Jaclyn.
Queen of Finland. Bro, my dear queen, you have written up more than what you can chew this time. In fact, her reign ends today.
Engage!
Just really.
You did not get it from me. Engage!
Hey, look. What do you think?
Wow, this guy is cute. Yeah. You know, he reminds me of my boy. Man, I miss him. Hey, you and this boy. Who is that?
It's Jaclyn.
I said, who is it?
Nkechi.
If you try, touch the door. Why will you the door? He might touch the door. Fine.
Jaclyn. Don't try my patience, oh.
If you like,
Don't try my patience, oh.
Get away from here. Jaclyn. Ask her. Ask her. How can you come and knock on somebody's door like that? Ask who? Don't try me. Oh my God. Were you laughing earlier? Yeah, I lost that one. You lose some and you win some. But believe you me, so long as there are matters, I will investigate. Facts are always sacred, but comments are free. Hey, wait. It's not funny to be on the wrong side of a lie, you know. Or a wrongful allegation. I remember that painful ordeal 2 semesters ago when I was wrongfully accused of being HIV positive. It was too painful.
Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might.
I say we must act immediately.
Yes.
If we allow her to stay, we shall all be at risk.
Yes. I have drafted a resolution I want us to present to the Hall President for onwards transmission to the Hall Authority. If they do not act promptly, we shall advise ourselves.
Yes, let's go.
Jaclyn Kusi has tested HIV positive.
Where from this villa?
If we were to go to the Porter's Lodge right now, you see the enormity of what I'm saying. Look, the girls are up in arms. They say they will not share any facility with any HIV positive patient.
Is it that bad already? The question is, how did this get started?
But
You remember?
what is happening here? Tell me, are they saying I have AIDS?
Well, there's talk that one of the blood samples at the blood donation exercise came HIV positive. And they say it is yours.
Me?
Yeah.
But I didn't even go for the blood donation. I didn't.
So who is it? Who then has the virus?
Definitely not me. But why will people even mention my name? What have I done to them? So is that why everybody is running away from me?
The sorry fact is, we just came back from the hospital. And they indeed have the name Jaclyn K as having tested HIV positive. I'm yet to go to the Porter's Lodge and find out who that name could fit though. Sad day, eh?
So that was why Abasa interviewed me. Oh God. I'm finished.
Helena? It's a tough world. Oh my God.
And that is why you must amass the wherewithal to resist all attacks, being it mental, psychological, emotional, or spiritual. But the best form of defense is knowledge. Knowledge is power. And I have that. Oh, good.
I'm sure why it's honest. I'm not super fatal, pa. Papa.
This girl I go show her mafia.
What is it?
It's good I met you too. I don't even know how to say this. So.
Well, what is it? Hey, this girl is always full of surprise. Tell us, what is it this time?
The guys, they are spreading very damaging rumors about you, Jackie.
About who? Me? About what? What have I done?
Well, I overheard them talking yesterday.
About what? Hurry up! Oh.
And they said that all that you wear is false.
Me? Where false? Hey, tell me. Who said that? Is this false? Is this false?
Please.
No, tell me. Who? What kind of nonsense is this?
Okay. Cool down.
No, tell me. Who are those?
Oh,
Who are those?
all right.
Cool down, my
I'll tell
dear.
you.
Cool
I'll
down.
tell you.
Cool down.
There were four of them. Okay, there were four of them. The one who was doing most of the damage is the fat one. I mean, Marlon.
Ha! This guy is dead.
He really crucified you.
can I help you?
I hear that you have been spreading wild rumors about me, calling me names, huh?
Excuse me, so what?
Well, I don't care for the validity or otherwise of the things you've been saying about me. But I tell you this, do you know that I can destroy you? Do you know?
Destroy who? Me? Malonti?
It is you who have been writing love letters to the first year students, huh? Those cheap love letters copied from some. Am I lying? You don't like the sound of it, do you? Good. I have a copy of that pathetic letter. And I am warning you, henceforth, if ever I hear any of you or your so-called friends call me names or use the word fourth in relation to me, you are dead. I mean it, and I'm telling you, trust me. I will make a photocopy and circulate this letter to everybody on campus. Well, you think about it. I will be back. You'll see. Oh. Think I'm stressing myself for the grade? A man who fears suffering is already suffering from what he fears. Oh God. So, my life on Sun City campus. I swear, it hasn't been easy at all. But after all, that is why we are in school. To learn, make mistakes, and correct them. So we don't repeat the same mistakes. Huh? And oh, my love life. There's only one man. One man. But he still believes in sowing his wild oats. And so am I. Till we finally accept that we are destined to be together. Oh. Sorry, why? I'm really sorry. I wasn't really looking where I was scoring.
You take this for your problems. Make sure you wash your hands.
I'm sorry, okay? You really saved my life. Thank you so much, okay?
That's no problem. Okay. My name is Percy. Percy Osebos.
Jaclyn is my name. But I'm sorry and thank you so much, okay?
Okay, it happens to all of us, right?
Yeah. Oh God.
You look cute. Are you around?
Really? Thanks, but maybe you haven't been looking hard enough. Seek and you shall find. Well, I'm in year 12 hall. I study law.
Okay.
Enjoy the game,
right?
Yeah.
I'll see you around.
Have a nice day.
Okay, I will.
Amelie was right. This guy is home. Excuse me, do you have a number or something that I can probably get in touch?
Yeah. 364656. Space for my first.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
See you
Enjoy
around.
the game. Who said a woman cannot? I'm coming right after you.
Who are you sending a text to this time of the night?
It's none of your business. Why are you so inquisitive, eh? Learn to mind your own business.
Look who is talking.
It's still none of your business.
Hi. How you doing? You are full of surprises, you know. I thought you said you were not going to make it.
Well, wait. Looking at the list of options, yours seems to be more interesting.
So what are you drinking?
Shall we relax?
What does she think she's doing?
Oh, you are. Somebody.
She is in for a fight tonight. She thinks she can fool around my Percy? No way. I'll be back. Hi, girl. Are you all right? Have a nice day. Bye.
The cheek of it. I say there's something wrong with this girl. After today, no one can tell me otherwise.
A little damage control. Wait. But I have to be careful. They didn't particularly look happy about it. I'm an enigma, huh? Well, that is the story of my life. My life. But before I go, I'll leave you with this. On Douake, il faut regarder soi-même longtemps avant de songer à les gens. Parce que before you say something about somebody, you have to look at yourself. Otherwise, okay.